Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add signature in Outlook on Android. The process is really simple. So to set or customize your signature, first of all, you need to click on your Outlook app. Click on your profile icon on the left top corner and then tap on settings. Scroll down below and here you can see the option of signature. Tap on that. So currently the signature is set to get Outlook for Android device. Change it to anything you want. Either your name or your profession. Like me, I will be using assistant now. As an example, as you can see the signature is set to my name. So this was the process by which you can add signature in Outlook on Android. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.